Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to DaVinci Resolve tutorial on how to uh, pop out your preview. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, I'd really appreciate it. Now, there's a studio version thing where you can actually like pop this out and bring it anywhere along your screen, I believe. But if you're part of the free version and you can't do that, the next best thing you have is just essentially go full screen and then maybe even move that to another desktop screen. So in order to do that, all you're going to want to go ahead and do is press P like so. Or another, like I said, if you want to move it to that second screen, you can actually just right click on this, make sure you have dynamic project switching on, and you can have multiple of the same projects open like at the same time. Maybe have the uh, media open on another screen there for you, so that way that you can just kind of have it popped out so you have it big and essentially where you want it. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to put them down below. But other than that, it's been a DaVinci Resolve tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.